Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today in this video I'm going to be talking about how the Samsung Galaxy Fold was delayed. Alright, so back in February, Samsung held their Unpacked event, basically what Apple does in September every year, and they just released their brand new products, softwares, hardwares, etc. And while it did have a ton of cool and interesting products, definitely the star of the show would for sure be the Galaxy Fold. But along with all of that hype, there was a ton of questions being raised due to the fact that we've never actually seen this type of form factor before with the whole folding design. I personally made a video on this channel a few videos back talking about some of the problems I noticed with the Galaxy Fold that they didn't, Samsung didn't really specify on what it would be like in person. But recently Samsung sent out a couple of review units for YouTubers and other kinds of reviewers to check out the Galaxy Fold and check it out and see if it was actually going to meet the hype that so many people were building up for this device. Now, while at first, the feedback for the Galaxy Fold when people started using it the first couple days were pretty good. They were saying the build quality is better than they thought. It functioned overall much better in terms of software, and just everything seemed to be great. Shortly after, people started to see what looked to be kind of like a screen protector kind of thing on the display. So some people pulled it off, just assuming again it was a screen protector. But apparently Samsung then sent out a thing saying that screen protector was not actually supposed to be removed off the display because it's a part of the display somehow. And whenever someone would peel off the screen protector, the display was completely unusable. Now, while that was the majority of the problems that people faced with the Galaxy Fold for the reviewers testing out the phone, there was one situation that is definitely pretty intriguing. Someone at The Verge was, just using the Galaxy Fold to write a review later, but then eventually saw that after just a couple days of using the Fold, in the center towards the bottom of the phone, there was a little bit of a bump. The next day they opened it up and there was few lines on the display, making it like as if the LCD was damaged, and eventually got worse and worse until the display was unusable. Now, at first, when Samsung found out about all these reports and videos coming out about the Galaxy Fold's display defects, they originally said that of course they're going to take a look at those models, but overall they were still full steam ahead on releasing the Galaxy Fold, and it was going to be a great launch and everything would be solved, and overall it would be a win-win. But then just recently, Samsung sent out an official statement saying that they've completely delayed the release to the public of the Galaxy Fold. And if you were one of the people that also pre-ordered the Galaxy Fold and were hoping to get it delivered to you on April 26th, which I believe is in just a few days from now, you're not going to because, again, Samsung delayed the complete release to have some time to be able to correct some of the problems with the Galaxy Fold design. Now, honestly, I just hope that this is not the AirPower situation all over again, because Apple, they announced that they're going to be coming out with their official Apple wireless charging mat called AirPower, and there was a ton of hype, a ton of people were really looking forward to getting it. After the months went by, Apple was like, okay, we're gonna we've been delaying this for quite some time now, but we can't solve it, so we're just going to completely cancel it. So I really hope that does not happen with the Galaxy Fold, where they just constantly keep delaying and delaying and delaying until they officially cancel it. That would not look good. So with that said, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below if you have not already. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.